Now let me introduce myself if you haven't heard my name, Sister A. A new MC up in the game. My verse is smooth like cotton, sweeter than chocolate. It's a man's world, but I'm the pilot in this cockpit. I'm not afraid to stand my ground in a mosh pit. If I let my hair loose, you think that I'm a rock chick. But I got soul in every vessel in my body. Original, I don't feel the need to be a copy. This ain't a hobby, what I'm doing is a lifestyle. Ever since I was a wild child, I was singing in the bathroom, baby. That funkadelic song drove me crazy. It kept me up at night, I was dreaming of the melody. The words kept playing in my mind, it was meant to be that I would let them free for all of y'all to listen. So dance to my music, shake your booty to the rhythm, man.
Vibe with the flow, vibe with the flow.
I wanna take the time to tell you what I like. Making music that just makes you wanna
Vibe with the flow, vibe with the flow.
I wanna take the time to tell you what I like. Making music that just makes you wanna
Vibe with the flow, vibe.
Listen how I flow, I break it down for all of y'all. I'm down with the old boom bap rap, I'm addicted to the flavor. I try to flip my lines with precision like a laser. I'm shocking like a taser when I'm on the microphone. Even though I bring that sweet sound into your home, music is my party, it would never leave my side. So if you dig me, lean back and enjoy the ride. On my path, I take the Fat Mark crew with me, it's like that. One love for my hip-hop family, but you can hear that this one's for the groove, yeah, it makes me wanna move in the right way. And by the right way, I mean the way back, way back, way back to those days.
Back in the days.
The days of the block parties in the 70s.
Vibe with the flow, vibe